In this video, we will be creating this button. Here you can see where hover the button, you will be noticing the effect, and we will be creating this button using HTML and CSS. So let's dive into the code. Hello friends, this is CodeCraft. You can learn coding fastly and efficiently. I have created HTML and CSS file. Now the first thing here in the HTML body, I have created a button, and inside this I will see it is a login button. Now I will go to my CSS and start styling here. Now the first thing I will style for the body, display flags, justify content center, align item center, and background color will be black. The next I will style for the button. Now I'll go to my browser. I'll start my live server here. As you can see, the button is pretty good. Now we'll style more here. Next I'll see when someone are in the button, what will happen. I'll see here button, should select hour. Now I will go to my browser, and when I are on the way, you can see something. You will notice this effect, and that's good. Now going to VS Code again, and the next I will see the button. I will select the pseudo selector before. Next, I will see when someone are in the button, I will select the pseudo selector before again, and I will see the transform will be translate X, and it will be 15. Yeah. Now that's all. I will go to my browser, and here you can see you will noticing that effect, and I on it, and you can see this effect is good. I hope this video will help you and you have learned something. Press the like button, press the subscribe button. Thanks for watching the video.